Good morning, distinguished guests. Welcome to Cyber Week. Yes, it's an achievement. Let's start with a few facts. Tel Aviv-Yafo is ranked 4th in the world in the Startup Genome 2025 list, preceded only by Silicon Valley, New York, and London. Our city has about 3,000 active companies in the field of deep tech, including all of the names that you don't understand: quantum, biotech, AI, and cyber. In 2024, Tel Aviv companies raised $8 billion. Show me a country that can raise this amount in time of war. And we are breaking the exit totaling 11 billion before. Tel Aviv is home to more than 174 innovation and development centers for international giants, including all of them you know: NVIDIA, Meta, Google, Volkswagen, and more. 1 out of every 4 households in Tel Aviv is home to a high-tech worker. In fact, 1 out of every 5 workers in the city is employed in the tech industry. I think it's the highest in the world. Maybe this is a time to say that I swear on my laptop that not even a single word of this speech was generated by AI. I used to say or to tell my people, look, if you want to applaud, do it right. If not, leave it. And it reflects only my own enthusiasm and statistics compiled by the Tel Aviv-Yafo municipality. So our amazing local talent forms the epicenter of our tech ecosystem. Talent that's based on integrity, intelligence, hard work, creativity, dedication, and maybe the most important, determination. And we have shown extraordinary resilience in the face of tremendous challenges lately, both local and global. All of you maybe heard about it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud of the people of Tel City, our city. We are proud to be this city, and I warmly invite you to enjoy all it has to offer. So thank you for being here together. Thank you. And after what Professor Ben Israel said, if you want to really understand this city, please go out of your hotel after midnight, not at midnight.